Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when the Enroll in Extended Security Updates (ESU) option is not available in Windows 10. First, check your Windows version and edition by pressing Windows and R, type WinVer, and pressing Enter. Make sure you are running Windows 10 Enterprise, Education, or IoT Enterprise, because ESU is not available for home editions. Also confirm that you are on Windows 10 version 22H2, which is the last supported version, and update your system if needed. Next, install the latest Windows updates by opening Settings, going to Update and Security, selecting Windows Update, and clicking Check for Updates. Install any pending updates, restart your PC, and then check if the ESU option appears. If the option is still missing, you can use Command Prompt to verify ESU status. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type the command. This will show if your edition supports ESU enrollment. If it doesn't, you may need to upgrade to Windows 10 Enterprise or Education to enable it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.